Welcome to today's video where we are going to learn English and also learn about something really amazing, space. Yes, space is so big, so beautiful and so mysterious, and while learning about it, you will also improve your English vocabulary and speaking. So let's begin. First, did you know that space has no air? Yes, that's why astronauts wear special suits when they go to space, and also there's no sound in space because sound needs air to travel. So if someone screams in space, nobody can hear it. In English we say there's no sound in space. Now let's talk about the sun. You see it every day, right? But do you know the sun is actually a star? It looks big because it is closer to Earth than the other stars. So remember, the sun is the closest star to Earth. Moving on, look up at the sky at night. You will see the moon. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. But what does that mean? It means the moon goes around the Earth. In English, we call that orbiting. So we say the moon orbits the Earth. Next, let's talk about a very special planet, Saturn. Have you seen pictures of Saturn? It has beautiful rings around it. These rings are made of ice and rocks. So we can say Saturn has rings made of ice and rock. Now let's learn about the astronauts. Astronauts are people who travel to space. They use big machines called rockets. Rockets fly very fast and take astronauts out of Earth. In English, we say astronauts travel to space in rockets. And one more amazing fact, there are thousands of planets in space. Some may even have life on them. Scientists are still trying to find if life exists on other planets. Who knows, maybe one day we will live on Mars. Wow, isn't space amazing? So today, you not only learned about space but also learned useful English words like these. Use them in small sentences and keep watching our videos to improve English and become smarter day by day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment what you want to know next.